Today, we will talk about China's brand new QBZ-191 rifle. In the end, we will also compare it with AK-203. The new rifle was formally revealed at the 70th National Day Military Parade on October 1, 2019, and will gradually replace the QBZ-95 rifle family from the Chinese military. It is also a component of the new Integrated Soldier Combat System, which aims to modernize the PLA's infantry equipment with helmets, bulletproof vests, battlefield management systems, and many other systems. For better understanding, you can compare the Chinese Future Soldier program with India's FINSA's Future Infantry Soldier as a System, Russian Ratnik, and United States' Future Warrior program. Compared to the bullpup QBZ-95, the QBZ-191 uses a conventional design, with several improvements, aiming to resolve the unsatisfactory issues, such as ergonomics of the Type 95 platform. The weapon features a short-stroke piston gas operation design with a rotating bolt, and uses a reciprocating charging handle, located on the right side. It has improved ergonomics, featuring a 4-position adjustable buttstock, ambidextrous fire selector, and a magazine release lever, located in front of the trigger guard for speed reloading. The weapon platform can also be mounted with a suppressor. The QBZ-191 rifle features a full-length Picatinny rail on the top, and comes standard with new 3x magnification daylight prismatic optics. It can also be integrated with thermal sight and night vision scope. The rifle is also equipped with backup iron sights that can be folded down when not in use. The main body is divided into the upper and lower receivers. Both are made of aluminium alloy, while the handguard, pistol grip, and telescoping stock are made of polymer material. The handguard has additional provisions at its 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, which allow it to equip various accessories such as flashlight, laser module, foregrip, and bipod. The QBZ-191 rifle is chambered in the Chinese proprietary 5.8 by 42 mm caliber, with a redesigned ammunition that has better ballistic performance at medium to long ranges. The rifle has been designed into 3 variants: a standard rifle version with a 14.5-inch barrel, called QBZ-191, a carbine version with a 10.5-inch barrel, called QBZ-192, and a designated marksman rifle version with a long 21.7-inch barrel, called the QBU-191. The standard version has 400-meter effective range, whereas the carbine version has around 200-meter effective range. Designated marksman rifle with an 800-meter effective range, fitted with a heavy free-floating barrel, and a 3 to 8.6 variable magnification telescopic sight. As it supports both selective fire and full auto mode, it can be easily configured into a light support weapon with a drum magazine. Now let's talk about what is the difference between AK-203 and QBZ. AK-203 uses a long-stroke gas piston and fires 7.62 by 39 mm round, whereas QBZ-191 uses a short-stroke gas piston and fires 5.8 by 42 mm round. AK-203 uses adjustable iron sights or Picatinny rails for a range of different optics, whereas QBZ-191 has a full-length Picatinny-type scope rail. The AK-203 standard version has a 16.3-inch barrel, and QBZ standard version has a 14.5-inch barrel. Both rifles have 400-meter effective range, and can use 30-round detachable box magazines. AK-203 is a battle-tested rifle, in the other hand QBZ is yet to be tested. As per some report, QBZ can't put proper spin on the bullets. As a result, the bullets tumble mid-air and strike the target sideways, resulting in keyholes instead of round bullet holes. That's it for today. See you in the next video.